We're diving into the world of futuristic marvels at the Gundam Factory, where the future meets the past in the form of colossal robots in the heart of Yokohama, Japan, a place that brings the iconic anime franchise to life. Stepping through the entrance, you're greeted by the awe-inspiring sight of the 18-meter-tall RX-782 Gundam model. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi dream. This is not just any Gundam. It's a moving, functioning giant. The attention to detail is astonishing, from the mechanical joints to the meticulously crafted exterior. And don't miss the incredible nighttime shows. When the sun sets, the Gundam lights up, and it's a sight you won't soon forget. Before you leave, don't forget to visit the gift shop. You can even find exclusive Gundam Factory merch that you won't find anywhere else. So whether you're a longtime Gundam fan or someone seeking a unique adventure in Japan, the Gundam Factory in Yokohama is a must-visit destination that promises to leave you in awe.